Video as private. Change to listed. Everyone joining from home. Climate is cloudy or something rain is happening. Let 3. Template 3.html file. Template 2 is running. We can take the copy of template 2. In template 3, this photo will be changing photo. We'll add one line of CSS, not one line, 4 5 line of CSS we'll add. That's called as a CSS animation. CSS animation, then photo will change. Okay. active ID will go to the third link, that is called third li. Active ID will send to the third li. Next, after this, under the template 3 file, we have a section here. That section ID is called banner. And you can see you have written the CSS for banner already. We have written the CSS for banner already. In that CSS, we have added one photo as a background. That is the default one. Now, before this banner, we will write a animation in CSS. And using the animation, the background of this photo will keep changing on a certain interval. Background of banner will keep changing on a certain interval. So this is called multi-line comment in CSS. This is called comment. You can write here CSS animation start here. Start only CSS animation start. And also we can write CSS animation end. So this line become as a comment for the developer. After looking into this area, they'll come to know this section is for the animation. Okay, now come down. Inside that you will write animation like this, @ keyframes. @keyframes is a keyword. With the help of we can create the animation. So @keyframes, and after that name of the animation. Lock my banner. My banner. My banner. My banner is the name of animation and banner is the name of your ID. Under my banner, what animation will write, that will apply to the banner ID. Keyframes, FRAMES, @keyframes. Okay, now this my banner, we will go to the animation section, banner section, and we'll call here. So my animation, my banner is written. In that we'll do something. Now let's call it to the banner. Using the keyword called animation : name of the animation is my banner. Animation : name of the animation is my banner. Okay, next after this animation will link. Banner ID will be calling the my banner. Now in my banner, what we want to do, how many times we want to do, we have to decide. So let's write here one more property, animation hyphen iteration, or animation hyphen duration. First you can write animation hyphen duration 10s, represent the 10 second. It represents the 10 second. Animation hyphen duration 10 second. So now in this 10 second, what you want to do, that all we have to specify here. Okay, so animation is a product predefined property. My banner is the name of the animation that we wrote with the help of keyframes. Now we set the timing for the animation. How long? Only 10 seconds. Now in the 10 second, what we want to do, we need to specify here. Okay. So in 10 seconds, we will change the photo 4 times. So you can write like this. When 25% time of 10 seconds will get finished, then what to be done? Next, after that, 50% of the time will get finished of 10 seconds, then what should be done? 75% time of 10 seconds will get finished, then what should be done? So you are setting the interval of right? So how many times it will happen? 3 times. When 2.5 seconds will get finished, then this line will execute. When 5 seconds will get finished, then this will execute. When 7.5 seconds will get finished, then this line will execute. And once 100% will come, then again we'll go back to the original one. Okay. Now you will copy this background image line and you will paste here and change the photo as a 2.jpg. .jpg. Again, you will add here the same and add as a 3.jpg. When the page will start, 1.jpg will come. After 2.5 seconds, 2.jpg will change. After 5 seconds, 3.jpg will come. And after 7.5 seconds, 750 seconds, 4.jpg will come. And it will go till 100%. And after 100% again, 100% will get finished. From there again, it will start 1 to 25. This will get covered. So total 3 times we are changing and 1 is the by default. So total, if in current folder, if you have 4 photos, it should work properly. In current folder, 4 photo is required. Four photo will be required in current folder. In current folder, we have multiple photos. Please check now. Photos will change. In 10 seconds, 4 times photo will change. After that, it will get a stop. Because loop we are given only 1 time. Changing photo? Okay. So for other people, photo should change. Refresh the page, you will find in 10 seconds, 4 times photo will change. But photo must be there in the folder. I will share you these 4 photos in chat. And photo name also should match. Photo name also should match. Now we can apply the number of iteration. How many times the animation should happen. So in one loop, 4 times is changing. You can add now the multiple loop. Animation hyphen iteration hyphen count. Animation iteration count animation hyphen iteration hyphen count infinite. So infinite time it will happen. Animation will keep running automatically. Animation iteration count. Animation will keep running. It will not stop anywhere. Right? Now let's come up to the animation part. Some more changes we can do. When the first photo will change, the font size of content will become small, somewhere 40 pixel. When font size will get change again, when the photo will change again, 60 pixel will happen or 50 pixel. Again, when the photo will change third time, font size 70 px. Happening, font size is getting changed. According to photo, the font size will also keep change. I'll try one more option if that work. Okay, so content will not change like that. Something else we have to use. CONTENT, content. We have to apply after before something. This is called animation. We can set a timer, and for certain duration, certain functionality will keep repeating again and again. Okay, till the page is open, or certain limit we can also keep 10 second, 20 second, 30 second, 10 times, 5 times. So first step, we need to know what we want to do. That we'll do under the animation part, and how we need to call. That is called animation colon name of the animation. Then it duration, how long should be there for each call, and then what should be the total number of loop. So each loop we are writing here, we wrote as a count total number of loops should come how many time animation should happen, infinite. Assume if we add here called 10, so what will happen? 10 time it will call, and every time it will take total 10 second. Okay, so 10 into 10, 100-second animation will be there. After that, it will get stopped. Okay. Again, we have to refresh the page, then animation will happen. And if you keep as a infinite, so it represent till the page is open, the animation will keep happening automatically. Okay. So save it, and again. Next will come next file. In that, we will understand like how we can apply the CSS for input elements, like text boxes when you are creating text area, button, drop down, password field. So for input element, how we can apply the CSS. That we can see under the template 4.html. So template 4.html, we can create and go to the template 4. In template 4, we can take copy of template 3. Banner section is not required. Service section is also not required. So in template 4, you don't need banner. You don't need service. You can remove both. And ID we can apply to the 4th li. ID we can apply to the 4th li. Okay, next in template 4, header footer will be attached. We have to work for that. So let's write here another section tag. For section tag, we can write here ID as a container. Okay, ready? ID is a container. Now for container, you can write few line of CSS so that certain height will be fixed for that. In a style block, write the CSS has container. Set the width 80%. Then minimum height as a mean height 450 pixel, and then margin as a auto. Margin as a auto. Width 80%, mean height 450, margin as a auto. Okay, come down, check now. Where is the footer? Footer will go to the last. Little more height is required. 530 nearly. So that footer will be always in the last. Here container is taking the area 530 pixel height. Then after that footer starts. So we'll feel like there is a gap in between. Okay, so written for container. Now we need to write something for text boxes and buttons and all. So come to the HTML. Background, write the image for that. People putting on. So hope everyone have written. Now come to the text box field section tag. Write a field set. Open and close. Field set open close. Inside the field set, you can check once what is happening using the field set. It will create a bordered box. It will create a box with border. Border box will be ready. Next, after this, inside we'll add the legend. And right there, contact us. Contact us. So it will create a label. Headline of the field set. It will represent like this. Now come down. Okay, so first we can arrange field set and legend using CSS. Then we can write the next everything. For example, I'll use some text here. Under the field set only, we added some content. Now CSS is required for the field set and CSS is required for the legend. Write the CSS for field set. Width of the field set, somewhere 400. Then margin auto. It should take 400 in the center of the screen. Then border should be 5px double orange color. In that little border icon, radius should apply. $10px. After that, padding should be there little. 30 pixel. Now you can check how it looks. Something like this. Should be little gap from the top. To apply the gap from top, margin auto we have written somewhere. So from top, let's give some 40 pixel. Left, right, you leave as a auto. Bottom also you leave 40 pixel. Border 10 pixel we can do instead of 5px. Now we require some CSS for legend tag. Legend tag we can write like this. Background of legend. Green color. Color as white color. And padding. Top 10. Left, right 35. Bottom also 10. Font weight, bold. Font size, 26 px. Okay, something like this. Next, for this field set, we can apply little shadow. For field set, box shadow, we have a property 0 pixel from left side, from top also 0 pixel, density 10 pixel, same orange color only. Now is the shadow something like this, very less. 30-40 we can write. From left little shift 10 pixel. From top also shift 10 pixel. Okay, look like brighten. So written field set and legend. Now we need to come to the this text area here, not text area under the field set, where we have written the p tag. So these two field set and legend code will come to your chat. Come down. Remove the p tag. Write a table. We can write the TR again. TH full name. Let's keep adding the same TR and change the field name. Email ID. Phone number. Message. Text area open. Text area close. Okay, so how it's looking? Normal page. Text box will not have any kind of look. Simple. We will add the class for that. Get ready. TR, one more TH is required. All S1, 2. Okay, button 1 is okay. Now for all the text boxes, you will write a class. Input box. Same class we can call all the places. Okay, input box class is added. Come to the CSS now. Dot input box width 100%, height 30 pixel. For table also you need to write the CSS table which we have in current page. Their width should be 100% of parent. 100% of the parent. Then you will write now height width will get increased everywhere. Next, we need to increase the height of TR. $50 pixel. Huge space will come. Gap happen. Last text area should be little big. Should not be like text box. Should be little big one. Like this. So for that, we have to write a separate CSS. Big box. Height of the big box. Width is 100% only. Height 80 px. Now we'll call this. So dot is missing here. Big box. This will call for the text area. Because text area width is 100% is okay. Height should be bigger. Big box. Here one class space. Second class. Both will work. One class will give the width. Second class will give the height. That's a big box. From big box, we'll get the height. From input box, we'll get the width. Okay, check now. Height is increased. Height is increased. Some CSS for button purpose now. Now write some instances for button. Direct per button we wrote. Background of button. Which color is the page? Okay. Blue you can write. Then color inside the button. White. Font size of text. 3 pixels somewhere. Padding of the button. Button height should be less, width should be more. So padding top 8, left right 25, bottom also 8. Then in a bottom by default border will come. You need to write here border as a none, no border. Then when the cursor will come there, it should convert into pointer. When the cursor will come there, it should convert into pointer. Okay, button. Let's see it now. Become something. Before button, some space is required. So we can write in this margin top 15 px. Height should be more. 10 we can do. Padding 10 from top. Padding 10 only from bottom. Left, right 20. And border radius you can apply to 3 pixels. Border hyphen radius 3 pixels. Should not look very sharp corner. Okay, so little down happen. Next, after this, you can write hover and focus. Button colon hover. When the mouse will touch the button, the background should convert into black color. And when you click on that is called focus. Hover meaning when you touch. Focus meaning when you click. So by default color is blue color. Once you touch by mouse, background will be black color. And once you click on that, then it will convert into red color. Button is same. According to user interaction, the color will keep change. happening. Click, hover and focus. By default, blue, mouse will touch black, click red. So hover meaning is mouse cross through, focus meaning is when cursor will point here. Okay. Some more property we can add here. When mouse will go border hyphen radius, top left corner. Okay, let's convert into 50 pixel radius. When the mouse will go there. And once you click on that, then top left corner 0 pixel or top left corner somewhere 30 pixel, top right corner 0 pixel, right bottom 30 px, bottom left again 0 px. Like the watch it work clockwise. Okay, happening. Now you can apply a property called transition. When the mouse is going there, immediately it's changing the shape. We can apply on break little. We'll say slowly you change the shape. Okay, that is called transition. So what we'll do under the button itself, whenever we are changing the radius, we'll apply the control on the radius, we'll apply the timer on the radius. So we'll go here and we'll write here property called transition. Transition colon name of the property. Border radius and duration. Example 2s. 2s become more 1s you can write. Or first check with the 2s. 2s is 2 seconds. So whenever you are changing the radius of the button, whether you click or hover or anything, hopefully it should take 2 seconds time to change the radius. And to apply the radius should take 2 second time. Okay, happen. Just like this. Two seconds. People cannot wait to see. Try 1 second. Should happen little fast, but slowly. And then next, after that, under this text boxes also we can apply the focus property. So we have the class Class name is called input box. If you click now in text box, black border is coming. Check once. After clicking under the text boxes, black border is getting applied. Black border. That is a property called outline. That property is called as a outline. It is not the border, it's called outline. Okay. So outline we can change. So first under the input box where we have written the width 100%, height 30 px, there write outline. Colon none. So there should not be any kind of extra border on click. Outline none. Now if we click in any text boxes, you will not see the black border outline is getting applied. Outline is coming. Outline should not come. No outline. Okay. Now we can apply the focus property. When you click here, it's become a focus. So outline none. Come down under the input box only. Below you can write a separate property saying like dot input box colon focus. Dot input box colon focus. Dot input box colon focus. What will apply is border or box shadow. Let me try with box shadow. So when we click on any of the text boxes, some shadow should apply. Different color. Focus represent when your cursor is inside or when your cursor come in. No, not getting apply. Oh, input box. Colon focus. This is called box shadow. Before what was coming, it was called as a outline, default property. So file is ready. And go for the next template. Next is template 5.html. What already created? 5 we have created. Template 5. In that, don't call anything from the template 4. Will not copy paste from there. In this, we'll see how we can implement the icons. Like suppose if you open website, multiple type of icon appear. Here plus symbol is there, reload symbol is there, globe symbol is here. Here multiple type of icons are coming. Smallest one photo sign. That we need to implement in the template number 5. Separate example completely. Okay. So we need to download it and then we can use. Internet is required. Connect to your system with network. Right, internet is connected. We'll open the website called getbootstrap.com. Not getbootstrap.com, fontawesome.com. 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 This photo represent, you don't worry, go and have a tea in the cafeteria. Your work is ready. This library represent. Okay, it has so many thousand icons that will help you to design. Can you see these icons? Icons are coming here. These icons, where is these icons? These all are CSS code. Through CSS code, we can create this all. Everything, whichever the icon we require, all are available. Okay, so you can click on icon link on the top. Click on icon link and then see there. It is saying total 19,400 something icons are there. Almost every requirement will fulfill. Net not working then. Everything is based on net only, no? If I download, I want to give you how I'll give. Pen drive system gone from market. Good. Connecting. Next, you can click on this right side. 2018 links are there. Link is there on that. It's called free icons are this. Other are paid one. It's a free icon. We'll click on the right side. Fontawesome.com. Fontawesome.com. Okay, now, so this all are the icons are there. We have to use this all. So what we will do, fontawesome.com/download. You can write fontawesome.com/download and enter. Fontawesome.com/download. We can type. Download. DOWNLOAD. Fontawesome.com/download. So URL path and download. Okay. In that, it will come down left hand side. It says like free for web. Right side is the pro version for desktop and web application. This is for web application. There is a button called free for web. We'll click on that. Free for web. Downloaded this folder. After downloading, we need to extract it. After downloading, extract it. Take my contact from here. Open another website. Other website, click the YouTube. Settings, opening on. You have another brother?
Yeah.
Saying before something asking, click on that, change my or something. Button again. Okay. YouTube channel. Something blocked. If you go there, on the right side, your name is written. Three dots are there after the name. Click on that. Select all option.
Yes, sir.
Now type Google.com. Google. Is your office person? This system learn all the planning. Everyone takes one to legal partner. In PG it work. In PG it work then. Video daily comes that URL, you can follow that. URL you have no URL. I have sent in the group in that URL daily video will come after 10 o'clock. Okay, the folder is downloaded, extract it. After extracting, we can go inside the folder. We'll copy and paste under the internal CSS folder. Once it get extracted, we can copy that and paste under the internal CSS folder. This is the font of some folder, no? Right, we'll copy it and we'll paste under the which folder? Wait 5 minutes. Copy and paste under the internal CSS folder. Zip folder is not required. Now this folder that we have copy and pasted here, we can rename as an icon. We can rename as an icon. The folder you downloaded, extracted it, kept in the internal CSS folder, because the folder name is big name. While giving the path, we'll do mistake every time. So we rename as a icon small. Okay, implementation we'll do tomorrow. Copy and paste under the internal folder.